Aero Classic Steel Storage Shed 8x6 Review. Real rust resistance and storage results. Have you ever pulled open a garden shed door only to find rust flaking off the panels and your tools sitting in a damp puddle? I know someone who discovered their wheelbarrow and mower soaked through after one bad storm because the roof had given up entirely. That moment of quiet frustration is exhausting. Drop a comment if that sounds too familiar.
The overwhelming part is not just the damage. It is the brain fog of constantly worrying whether your equipment is protected every time rain rolls in. You try tarps, you try cheap plastic sheds, and nothing holds. One homeowner I spoke with replaced 2 flimsy structures in 3 years before realizing there had to be a smarter, more permanent solution waiting out there.
Then everything changed when I found the Aero Classic Steel Storage Shed 8x6. Don't just pick any outdoor storage shed. Make sure it has galvanized steel construction sealed with a Valspar polyester paint finish so you never waste time on rust, corrosion damage, and weather leaks again. The first time I set it up and closed those sliding doors, the relief was immediate. Heavy-duty galvanized steel panels treated specifically against corrosion and rust give this shed a layer of protection that cheaper alternatives simply cannot match. Here's what surprised me. The 65-inch vertical wall panels actually let you store tall items like rakes, ladders, and long-handled tools without awkward angles or cramming. The low gable roof pitch drains water cleanly, so no pooling builds up after rain. One landscaper I know nearly lost an entire set of tools to a leaking metal shed before switching to this model. He said the padlockable sliding doors on large glides changed how smoothly his entire storage routine worked. The 12-year limited warranty covers you for the long game, too. Living with this shed long-term changes the texture of your daily outdoor routine. Storage analysts consistently point to the dual protection system of galvanized steel plus Valspar paint as a rare combination at this size and price, noting it is typically found on higher-end units. An outdoor equipment reviewer described the sliding door mechanism as noticeably smoother than other sheds in the same category, specifically crediting the large glides for preventing the sticking and derailing that frustrates so many buyers. A user in Las Vegas, one of the harshest sun environments imaginable, confirmed the shed was holding up extremely well after nearly a year of full outdoor exposure. Someone else assembled it almost entirely alone in about 8 hours spread over 3 days, and said the numbered parts and illustrated instructions made the whole process manageable. If the assembly sounds daunting, that concern is fair, but the manual is genuinely clear, and the components are numbered, which removes most of the guesswork. What would your backyard feel like if you stopped worrying about weather damage every time a storm came through? That peace of mind is exactly what this shed delivers. The Aero Classic Steel Storage Shed 8x6 gives backyard storage the kind of durable foundation that cheap alternatives never could. Galvanized steel, Valspar paint protection, smooth sliding doors, and 248 cubic feet of organized space make this a genuinely practical daily upgrade. Thousands of homeowners already rely on it for tool, mower, and equipment protection season after season. Results may vary based on your foundation and local conditions. The affiliate link is in the description and pinned comment. Come explore it and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.